content because it's my first YouTube video, but I think we'll just do some random montage of the Lexus. Don't mind the surface rust, and do a montage of the bike. I don't know. So I went to the junkyard, and because they had a Lexus IS300 there, I got random parts I took off of it. Like, this is pretty brand new compared to mine, so I'm gonna go ahead and put these on. As you can tell, these are the ones. These are new ones. They might have a little bit of scratches on them because the other IS300 did get rear-ended. So you twist this counterclockwise and that bulb would pop out, and then you unscrew that. So new. And oh, time to replace this one. Just be careful taking these tabs off because they can easily break. All I did was pry down with a flathead screwdriver, just a little bit enough to where I can grab it with pliers and pull down. Other than that, let me talk to you about my IS300. As the 2JZGE T4 T3 Turbonetics turbo electronic boost gauge. I relocated the ABS to where the battery was, and then I put the battery in the back. I got the turbo kit from cxracing, Tial blow-off valve, and also Tial wastegate, which is underneath there somewhere. I tapped the fuel rail for a return line and my fuel pressure regulator right there. At the boomslang harness that goes directly into your stock ECU, so you won't have to worry about all that wiring. And to feed my turbo, I use the Glowshift oil adapter, somewhere down there. But I had to do a little bit of fabrication because the oil adapter kept popping off. So I literally spilt 5 quarts of oil when I first started it all over my driveway. The only thing it needs is a tune, and then take it to the drag strip and see what kind of time we'll get. Maybe high 12s, low 13. Oh, you guys should listen to my lame ass horn. My horn here doesn't work, so I relocated it down here. Listen to this. But I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.